Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to reset settings on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Now to reset all the settings on your Samsung phone, just open settings, then tap on general management. From here, just tap on reset, and under reset, you will find the option of reset all settings. Just tap on it, then tap on reset settings. Now just enter your lock screen pin and select reset. And by doing that, you will reset all the settings on your Samsung phone. And this option will not delete any data. It will just reset all the settings of your Samsung phone. And this is how you can reset all the settings on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.